Hello!
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you.
Hi! Pinag-isipan ko kung lalagyan ko ng mukha ko tong video vlogs na to. Na-realize ko, ang purpose ng vlog na to is for me to look back on my younger self. At the end of it all, ang audience naman talaga ng ginagawa ko is ako. It's more for myself than for other people. Wait lang. Gusto ko lang pakita ang napakaganda kong necklace. Look at the turtle. Look. And lobster. And all of these things. It's so pretty, right? I wanted to make a vlog on how I see life. Whether it be cringy pagdating ng panahon or parang sometimes I think kasi when you put something out, it has to be of value, di ba? Pero if I'm putting my experiences out, I don't know if there will be a value to it. But if I will quantify the audience into ako lang, para kanino ko ba siya gagawin? Kung para sa sarili ko lang naman, then may value siya. Kasi I get to see what I am able to experience way back when I was younger. Kasi diba ganun tayo? Like, this is the current version of ourselves and then we are living it. We don't know that this is what we've prayed for many years ago. Siguro, if I do this, I would be able to remember what I was praying for during those seasons and what God has given to me during those seasons. It's not my first time in Boracay, pero it's my first time to travel solo in Boracay. So, una, parang nag-book lang ako ng cheaper hotel. Kasi ako lang mag-isa, di ba? Tapos, naisip ko pala na mag-isa lang ako. So, I need to be in a place where I feel safe. And, okay na din kasi I get to experience this on my own. And, you know, it has always been my dream to live alone. I'll show you the room. Okay, this is when you enter. So, this is the banyo. Hi. And then, sinara ko na yung blinds. But, this is the room. Hindi ko alam kung premiere siya, pero parang premiere yung tawag. I-check ko na lang. I-check ko, tapos i-flash ko dito, like a legit YouTuber, kung ano yung nabook ko. I opted for a single bed na malaki, but then there was no room available when I came in. So parang sabi nila, yung room na 1 bed lang, it is at 3 p.m. Dumating ako mga 2-ish. So sabi ko, sige, okay na yung 2 bed. Dito ako pag madumi pa ako, tapos dito ako kapag malinis na ako. Ganun yung isa kong friend. Bawal mahiga sa kama kapag madumi ka pa. So kapag galing ka sa labas, pwede ka dito humiga. Pag nakapagligo ka na, dito ka naman. Medyo magulo na. Kanina maayos pa to eh. Nung hindi pa ako nagtutour. And hiniwalay-hiwalay ko na yung area. This is the vanity area. And this is the work area. I need to work. Guys, I need to work. Shy ako. May tao sa labas. Sasaran na natin to. Tapos ang favorite part ko sa lahat ay tadan! Bathtub! Diba? Parang pang-honeymoon na tong ating labanan dito sa banyo. Kanina, I went to the beach and just watched the sunset. Because in Boracay, that's the best view. And then, init sa labas. Pero ang kagandahan, ang dami kong steps. Naka 12K steps ako. Ang tal-tal. I'm just gonna enjoy the 3 days and 2 nights. Barely 3 days, but at least 2 full nights to be here. And how, you know, I am so grateful that the Lord has given me this time to rest. I want to wake up tomorrow early so we can, look at by the beach before we go get some breakfast. Let's just walk by the beach first. Anyway, yun lang. See you tomorrow. Good morning! It's day 2 of Boracay and I woke up late. Gusto ko sana makita yung beach ng morning ng 5:30 pero hindi ako nagising. So, bukas na lang. I will eat breakfast at around 8:30. Naantok pa ako. After that, I'll take a walk at the gym for a little while, like 1 hour or something. Para lang ma-burn. I'm a changed person now. So the plan today is to get some work in. So after the gym, I'll probably work a bit kasi mainit din sa labas. Para sa afternoon, I'll be able to chill by the pool, chill by the beach, go eat Coco Mama, ice flakes, lahat, dinner. See you! Am I too colorful?
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath.
Sobrang put together. I think I will stay with the clip. Okay naman, diba?
I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know that you save me. You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart.
Sabi ko kay Lord, sana may corned beef today. And sure enough, there's corned beef today before I leave. Kasi corned beef yung favorite ko of breakfast. There's not so much to see in this vlog because I always forget to video.